Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. We can block a contact, so the number you've got currently saved, and we can enter the section in which you will be able to, for example, paste the number or enter it manually. So let's start with our contact list. We have to open it, of course. And that was a misclick, of course. So let's tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then pick three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So simply tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information and this characteristic icon, which simply means that your device is will right now block everything from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way, as I said, it's kind of manual. So in this way, it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and here you can see our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous way also works. And here, as I said, we can add a number manually. Let's tap on this add a number section, and here you can simply enter it, or as I said, paste it if you've got it copied, and tap on block. And your device will immediately apply it to the blacklist. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it just by using this X button right here. And here we've got also the option unknown. You can activate it just by using the switcher or turn it off also. And based on this option, your device will be allowed to block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.